I used this shade on a wet brush, and I used this NYX setting spray to do that. So anytime in this video that I hold the bottle up, that means that whatever shade I used in that step, I used on a wet brush. When I was creating the lines on the upper lid, I didn't do the whole thing on one eye and finish it and then move on to the other eye. What I did was work in small sections on both eyes at the same time, so that way I can make sure that everything came out symmetrical.